You know, after Karamatar, it was kind of an interesting story. My dad was a missionary nurse, and he was very popular because he did such a lot of stuff. He got so popular that they decided to call a doctor. Dr. Hubbard, when he came to Karamatar, they had turned the school buildings over to a hospital, and it should have been successful, except that none of the Indians wanted to go to Dr. Hubbard because they were used to Dr. Borrowdale, which of course he wasn't a doctor. But that was what they were used to. And they're kind of creatures of habit. That guy is our doctor. We know him. And so they decided that they would move my father and the girls' school up the line where there's a boys' school and bring the boys' school down. And that would get Dad out of the doctor's way so the doctor could make it. It was really kind of funny. So they made this big move. And so my sister and I went to school one year from Karamatar, but when we came home, we came to what was Babu Mahal. And that was a place that was about 2 railroad stations north, about 60 or 70 miles north of Karamatar, and 10 miles from the railroad station. And there were 6 unbridged rivers between. A little short river, so if it rained north of us, all of a sudden the river would flood. And you might be going into the station for getting something, and the rains would come, and you couldn't cross the rivers until the water went down. But it was a lovely place. I like Babu Mahal, the other place. It was much more wild. Lots of leopards and tigers and stuff like that out there. But we loved it. So as my childhood, I was in 2 places. In my adulthood, again, several places.